On the Skivims homepage, make a copy of the Google Sheet. Go to Files, make a copy. Make a copy. In your copy of the Google Sheet, go to Tools, Manage Form, and Edit Form so that you get a copy of the form. After downloading the Google Form templates, change the first question product to your actual products. Note that if you are using the free version of the add-on, you cannot populate more than 8 products. Maximum is 8. It's limited if you upgrade. In your Google Sheet template, go to Extensions, Add-ons, Get Add-ons, which will take you to your marketplace. Search for Skivims Inventory and download the Skivims Inventory add. While installing, select your account. These are the scopes that Skivims will request from your account. See and download all your Google Drive files. See, edit, create and delete all your Google Sheet spreadsheets. View and manage your forms in Google Drive. Send email as you and display and run third-party web content in prompts and sidebars inside Google application. Then you allow these scopes. After downloading, you will see it under the extensions menu. For the sake of this demonstration, you see the Skivims here. There is a response tab, stock tab, and a password tab. In the password tab, you will see name of persons and passkeys. Change these names to the actual people who will be handling your inventory system. Assign them passwords and communicate these passwords to them individually. After you have done that, before using the inventory system, reset by deleting all the data. When all the data is deleted, you can start using the inventory system. Note that random item is not deleted. It should never be deleted. However, you can hide it. Resetting does not delete the information in the password sheet. After getting the add-on, you can read the how to use instructions. It will take you through how to get a regular expression using the passwords that you set in the password tab to populate your form, so that your form will only accept people who you have assigned specific passwords to. There is also an input and output question on the form, where when you select a product, you indicate whether you are adding items or deleting items. And there's a submission note, which is an optional question on the form when you are populating your sheets. Now let's see how the add-on works. Let's say I'm adding biscuit 1. My passkey is password 3. I'm adding 50. The moment I add, the name that the password is assigned to will be populated here, and the stock sheet will also be populated with the item added and the number which was added. We can add another one. Biscuit 1 gets 30 deleted from it. So that is how this add-on works. At any point in time, it gives you your total stock with its product. You do not have to use any spreadsheet formulas. You do not have to conduct any analytics or use any functions. At every microsecond, your stock sheet gets updated with the total count for the specific product. There are other functionalities of this add-on. We have already used the resets, which will delete all your data if you wish to restart using the inventory system all over again. Maybe you're starting a new year. There's a how to use, which gives some essential tips which you should read. There's a watch tutorial which will allow you to watch this tutorial. There's a download template. If you install the add-on before getting the templates, you can use the download templates to make copies of the Google form in the Google Sheets. There's notification email. You can actually set your email, but you have to upgrade to a paid-for version before you can use the notification email. You can remove the email and you can change the email you have set. You can contact support. You can easily contact us on the spreadsheet using email as well. You can send us an email with whatever problem you are encountering, and then we will respond with an email. Emailing us may take some time before you get a response. And so for a seamless flow, you can use the WhatsApp button, where you can easily send us a WhatsApp message if you're encountering any problem using the add-on. But you should have upgraded to be able to use this feature. You can also get the embed link, which will give you the embed link of only the stock sheet, where you can embed it on the website so that you can easily have access to the stock sheet without logging onto the spreadsheet. Let me quickly pause the video and then upgrade myself. Before I do that, let's go and try and upgrade. So using the upgrade button will take you to our pricing page. Let's just go through the information there. We accept PayPal payments, Visa and MasterCard payments, Western Union bank transfer for persons and bank transfers. For persons in the African region, especially Ghana, we accept Momo payments. Any user can contact us for a 1-month free trial of upgraded features. No payment details will be required. For support while you are processing your payment, you can contact the live support on our pricing page or use a WhatsApp. So if you are using it for free, you are not paying anything. The maximum is 8 products. If you want to upgrade, there is a $4 per month upgrade where you have unlimited products. You have the ability to reset. You can receive email notifications. You get basic support, and then you can also use a WhatsApp support where you get instant support. You get the same features if you decide to pay $29 per year, but over here you'll be saving $19. And then there's a lifetime upgrade where you pay $99 and use it forever. You will get everything in the $4 per month, but you only pay once. There are no subscriptions. And then if you don't have a website, you can subscribe to the dedicated page upgrade where you pay only $13 a year, and then you can get the stock sheet as well as the Google form embedded on a page on our domain dedicated to you. So that's our pricing page. So I'll quickly pause and upgrade so that we see how the upgrade features work. Before I actually resume, I have populated my Google Sheets by filling the Google form, and I have populated it with 8 unique products. Biscuit 1, 2, Biscuit 1 is the same as Biscuit 1, Biscuit 3, product 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8 unique products. Let me try to add a 9th product without upgrading, and then we see what happens. So I come here and I add product 9. You actually use the name that you wish to, the actual name of your product. So I have product 9. Let me try and fill the form with product 9. I select product 9. I put in my password. That's the person who is making changes to my inventory. They are adding 200 of that, adding to stock, and then they submit. You realize that the moment that they submit products and you saw it delete from the spreadsheet, and so if you have not upgraded, you will not be able to submit beyond 8 unique products. Now let me pause and upgrade, and then we see what happens. I have finally upgraded. Let me try and add my night products. When I add my night products, doesn't get deleted. My name gets populated. My stock sheets gets populated in the night product. So upgrading will actually give you the opportunity to add limitless number of products to keep track of. Now that I've upgraded, I will be able to set an email to receive notifications. Your current email is set to this. I have already set it. Do you wish to change it to no? Since I upgraded and also set my email notification by providing an email, I actually received an email when I filled in my night product. So just as you can see, you receive an email in your inbox depending on the email you set. John Doe has made changes to your inventory stock, 200 product 9 to your inventory stock. So upgrading will also allow you receive email notifications. I can also decide to remove the email or change the email. I don't wish to change it. I want to keep that email, so that is fine. Okay. Since I have upgraded, I will be able to use the WhatsApp feature to send messages, support messages to Skivims if I have a problem. It's opening WhatsApp. I'll be able to send a WhatsApp message now. That is if you use WhatsApp on the web. And since I've also upgraded, I'll be able to get the embed link of the stock sheet. I can easily copy the embed link. If I have a website, I can paste it on so that I don't have to log into the spreadsheet before I can see my total stock. So this is basically how the Skivims inventory add-on works. Please ensure that before you use it, your products question, your passkey question, and your input questions are all set to required. And make sure that you have populated the regular expression with the correct regular expression. As I already mentioned, you can read the instructions of how to set your regular expressions in the how to or the essential steps tab.